Hi Groody 3Ders. If there's anything more annoying than changing your release film on your RESIN 3D printer, then I don't know it. Surely that is the most annoying thing in the world. It is for me, because I love RESIN 3D printing, but changing those bloody FEPs, those release films, is an absolute pain in the you-know-where. Now, if only someone would come up with an easier, quicker solution to make the job less traumatic. Stay tuned. Let me introduce you to the Hoopat. Yes, I say again, Hoopat. Who on earth came up with such a ridiculous name? Well, I'll tell you who. Chitu Systems. You may recognise that name as they are behind the wonderful Chitu box. Yep, that's them indeed. And they've sent me this Hoopat X3 quick release resin vat system compatible with these printers. Not every printer is on there. If yours is on there, keep watching as I may have a freebie for you. Well, inside the box, let's have a look what goodies await you in this Chitu Systems Hoopat. I just can't stop saying it. It's wonderful. Yeah, you've got some instructions. You're going to have a quick look at them. You don't really need too much of them. You're going to have this quick release tank how-to guide. And believe me, again, once you've done one of these, you will do it in your sleep. They've only sent me one film. You may get more if you purchase them. And they've sent me a lid. This lid is great. I love lids. Lids will protect the resin from UV light when you're moving your vat about. Wonderful. And here is the fully metallic Hoopat resin tank. It is made of metal. It is made of non-corrosive metal. It's got a bit of weight to it. It is not cheap. It is not nasty. And it has got a wonderful pour spout, a working pour spout nonetheless. Another Billy Piggin bonus. Everything good about this so far. What I'm feeling, if this was just a normal build tank, I would be very happy, but this is a special build tank. It has these little clippy things that lift up on the sides, and all four sides have these little clippy lift up bits. I'm still trying to work out where Hoopat fits in. I can't even get that, but these are lifty uppy bits. Pat. Yep, so there are the secret behind the whole thing, and they will make changing your FEP a dream, a doddle. Now inside you will see this second part here, and if we flip it over, it's got a lot of those little nubbiny things on there that, yep, they will be the accepting bit to the FEP. You'll be threading it over them, and again, it's really easy. Really is. I can't wait to show you this. It's so cool. Love the idea. And all you do is you get the FEP that comes with it. You just unpeel the blue peely stuff off there. Now I've taken all the safety film off. There's some on the top, there's some on the bottom. Some reviewers leave the bottom one not. I'll just take them all off at this stage. It just makes it easy, I think. So take them all off till you are just left with your release film. And if you see the release film, it's full of holes, and you've guessed it, this is not rocket science. You will not need a degree to fit this. The holes go over the pegs. Simple. And just go around the edge and make sure that they're all in and they're all pushed down. And do you know what? That's as hard as this is going to get. It really is. It takes away undoing those Allen keys. It takes away the fiddliness. It takes away the stabbing holes when you redo them in. All you got to do is push them down, and I'm showing you the whole process here because it will take you minutes to do this, if not seconds, to push everything down. Oh dear, go and make yourself a cup of coffee while you watch it. Oh no, it's done, it's finished. You don't have time to boil a kettle. You don't have time to make yourself a drink, because that's it. That's how easy it is to put the FEP back on the top. And all you need to do then is take said coverage bit with your release film on, flip it over, and then pop it inside there, inside the tank, and you are virtually done, bar a couple of little things that you need to do. On the side, you'll see these little black clips. Just make sure that the little black clips sit in the little receptacles that sit on top of the tank. Honestly, you can't go wrong. As I said, it ain't rocket science. Being clever, you don't need to be. Just stick them up there on there, and that's nearly there. Oh, we're so close to changing this, and then just push them down. Push them down, it automatically tensions the FEP, and you have just changed your FEP, and that is it. How bloody cool is that? It's done, it's finished, it's complete. You have done it. You have now created a drum. Wonderful. The FEP is changed. That's so much easier, isn't it? Why someone hasn't thought of this earlier, I do not know. Thank God for Chitu Systems, but the Hoopat name. Now you can keep that. You really, really can. And there's the lid going back on. Beautiful. Everything's good. We like it. We like it a lot. Well, nothing is free in life, and the Hoopat is not free. If you want to buy this whole set, you're looking at about $90. For that, you get the tank and also a couple of the release films. I think you get 5 release films for that. And if you just want to buy the release films, you can get 5 for 35 quid. I don't think that's horrendously priced. I really, really don't, considering the absolute joy it is to change it. Well, there is absolutely no doubt that the Hoopat, what did they call it, that system actually works, and it works really well. I am really, really chuffed with just how simple the process was. It made that laborious, time-consuming, pain in the backside journey of changing your release film really, really great. And the cost wise, okay, the VAT's not cheap, the release film's not too bad at all, but for the convenience of not having to go through undoing all those Allen keys and messing around. And I don't know if you've ever done this. I've changed the VAT, and on the last but 1 or 2 tightening the screws up, I've pierced the bloody thing with an Allen key, and it just wants to make you scream. Now, the disadvantage, of course, here is that not every resin 3D printer has a Hoopat system that is compatible with it. If you've got one of the ones that is, then whoopee, good for you. Unfortunately, I don't have any 3D printer that's compatible with it, and that's good news for you, because I'm going to be giving away this X3 version, which is compatible with the following printers. And if you've got one of these printers and you want me to send you this free of charge, pretty simple. All you need to do, you need to be a subscriber to Greedy 3D, and you need to leave me a comment, and in the comment just say something like, I want the VAT, send me the VAT, let me have the VAT. And what I'll do, in about a week's time, I will randomly pick one person from all the comments and contact you. You can send me your address and I will send you the VAT free of charge. That's how wonderful Greedy 3D can be for you guys. We're going to send it you free of charge, of course. There's only one release film they sent me, of course, with it, and I've already fitted that, so I'll send you the pack with the VAT, but you might have to get yourself some more release films moving forward. But at least we've saved you the whole price of buying the VAT and all the aggro that goes with it. So wonderful. You get yourself a freebie. Woohoo. I hope you enjoy that. The only other disadvantage, of course, is that if your VAT is heated, if it's the actual VAT that is heated, then you're going to lose the option to heat your resin. If heating comes from underneath the VAT and comes up, then you should be okay. But if your VAT is part of the heating system, if it's integral to it, then you will lose the heating function on this particular VAT from the company. Maybe they're going to make one that has a heater built in. Again, stay tuned. We'll see what we can find out, because I think I have heard some sniffings of that going on. Let me know what you think. Have you used this system? It's been out a little bit of a while now. I know I'm behind the curve with this, but they've only just sent me one to review for you guys. Have you used it? Is it good? Is it bad? Have you found problems with it? Is it something you'll never go back after using it? Let me know in the comments. In fact, let anybody know in the comments. Please make sure you subscribe to Greedy 3D, and if you want to enter the competition, you must be a subscriber. Think about joining the Greedy 3D Patreon, and make sure you leave me a comment to let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, etc, etc. Thank you for watching today. It's been a real joy using this bit of kit, I've got to be honest, but unfortunately for me, when I want to change my FEP, I've got to go back to the old-fashioned way, which is going to be even more sour now, because I've experienced the wonderful world of Hoopat. What a great step forward. Just please make them for uniformation machines and Hay-Gears machines and ones that I've got. Hope you've enjoyed that. See you next time on Greedy 3D.